Demand on your care, medication management for older adults. Guidelines for medication purchases.
Do I always need a doctor's prescription to buy medication?
Not all medications require a doctor's prescription. According to the Hong Kong legislation, the Pharmacy and Poisons Ordinance Cap 138, medications are classified into three main categories. Prescription drug, drug under supervised sales, and drugs that can be sold without resident pharmacists or prescriptions. Prescription drug, such as antihypertensive drugs, diabetes drugs, antibiotics, and sedatives used to treat more serious or chronic illness. Incorrect dose or improper use may be hazardous to health. Prescription drug must be dispensed by a registered pharmacist in a registered pharmacy under a doctor's prescription. When purchasing prescription drug, patients need to provide a valid doctor's prescription, which should include date of the prescription, name and address of the patient, the total amount of the medicine to be supplied and the dose to be taken or administered, signature of the prescriber, address of the prescriber. Drug under supervised sales. Medicines in this category may cause more side effects than medicines in Category 3, which include quick relief inhaled drugs to soothe asthma, cough syrup with low codeine content, and stronger pain relievers like ibuprofen. They can be purchased from a registered pharmacy under the supervision of a pharmacist, but a doctor's prescription is not necessary. Drugs that can be sold without resident pharmacists or prescriptions. This category includes common remedies for symptoms like colds, flu, and mild pain relief, such as Panadol and anti-allergy medications. These medications are readily available in registered pharmacies and licensed medicine stores and do not require pharmacist supervision or a doctor's prescription.
You mentioned registered pharmacies and licensed medicine stores earlier. What's the difference between them?
Licensed drug retailers include registered pharmacy and licensed medicine store. They are authorized by the laws of Hong Kong to sell drugs of different categories. Registered pharmacy. It is a restricted title for a shop granted a valid license of Authorized Seller of Poisons, ASP. Pharmacies are identified by the ARX logo at their entrance. 2/3 of their operating hours must have a registered pharmacist on duty, and pharmacies can only dispense prescription drugs when a registered pharmacist is present. You can find the pharmacist's name, certificate of registration, and duty hours displayed at a conspicuous location in the shop. Licensed medicine store. It is a generic title for a shop granted a license of listed sellers of poisons. In general, the vendors may also use titles such as medicine shop and medicine company. It does not require a registered pharmacist on site. As a result, medicine store can only sell medicines in Category 3. In addition, you can verify whether the shop is a registered pharmacy or a licensed medicine store by entering the business name or address of the shop under the Search Drug Dealers function in the following drug office website. Regardless of the category of drug, older adults and caregivers should not purchase or use medication without careful choice. If you have any doubts or questions, it is advisable to consult with a doctor or pharmacist to ensure medication safety. Please visit our website, Facebook and YouTube channel for more information on elder care. Before you leave, remember to like and subscribe our channel.